All right, yama obibia kwa bio famra se obe network as usual. Mr. Oba, don't forget say obe subscribe na fe onso atima she na ode amai na fe bibia enso atimi akoso na anope awie ye the exclusive ayaboabo no na wonsam ana ede ebabesum ewo dwumade ne so na ama bibia re enso atimi ayekama. Nyakopon ayadom ama sese ameno kasa Asante Kotoko enso atimi ababeju. Asumdwe kwaso asese ameno kasene omohwenim se awia omobetimi akwakwa yomutwe ne session of etimaboa ama ebibiere enso etimagoso. Don't forget a Friday ana big game no etoja ewo Babara Sports Stadium ye de ewon semede de etumini nya Democracy Cup esanse game two teams nya no odoba se so mo na fama hwese Ghana ye Premier League be starting omugina ye no enso ebetima koyi anase omugina ye no enso entim enkoi fine ya game we ebe decide two teams no omo signings ana for mujumari edi ema clubs no, especially the two coaches omo ba omo from omo free amono na dey enso etimite behwe sane at the end of the day two teams no omo be maye when na for Democracy Cup crew na dey enso etimina ko ni nyina no ye be se ebe di nkomo na femre be ma ye ni mpanfo ewura mu na ye tima twetwe nkomo na fehwe sene jumade no enso ebesere enso etimako signing sene bia tofem and surprise as it be enso ho Asante Kotoko new striker be na aba ere won samere ere ba na fene nyina no yetimi ahwe ama jumade no etimi akoso. But first of all the tieni board chairman ere ma Asante Kotoko any person enso etim adi nkomo na utie board chairman sama oka simple the SBA no Asante Kotoko tim no emfanto omachi meaning for the last season and of course you know move on to much no yaba league as and especially for Democracy Cup on the year say omutimi making sure say ombetimi 3 points na fe aboma jumerere and so etima course because I see the except person added the winning mentality ade show mutrim winning mentality no so me the omo show mutrim na afi etimi bo se ne ba ya season eba bewrami Asante Kotoko ebetimi afa ntuma paire and so etime omo ba kumasi omo ba saba be show mo na fe omo no mo sa ede etim edi nkomo na fe omo hwe ama bibia and so etimi akoso nti board no any person atwetwe nkomo pa tomo ko duru akra omo de tomo omo eba nso no omo sanso mo edi nkomo ahwo mu nkran se de besi bia omo da so support we player the board chairman e kan me de pa ne se we player no se bibi how all club ni ma men fan sha hu enteki wan ka se wo decision making sure say on a board na dey eba besia na fe enkomodi de dey enso atima koso enti afidie board are ready to get closer to Asante Kotoko tim no tino kan say emfa bibi ensho mu nche emfa bibi ema bibi enchiro so se bibi echiro so a brampayinfo nim na ba beka kire wo mo obi ye wade na so woni enje ho a brampayinfo nim na ba beka kire wo mo. That is exclusive reporter. Free Asante Kotoko board nkoma akoso behind the scene. Ye de ehun sema dey enso edi amamutew ho no ma chese enya asam kitwa. Me be catch say ebe din say abrante fen say Kwame Poku benye. Ebe Johnny Kabe fen say oboase Asante God 04. And now pemeno ka say as God 04 are completed the sign off. Ghana under 20 abrante fen say Edmond Amache amune na wie eno nwumre amune boy na enso etime for transfer window eno so etime de close here ana be catch us Kwame Poku de fine bobrem boss Asante God 04 Karim Zito na we willing say oni branch of Kwame Poku de enso ebetima ya juma even Division 1 Super League e course yi ye ho branch of say Kwame Poku or sporty one ma no Kofi Tompo edin kom ana be catch us say Demateno because the agency or work as agenta only a branch of fence Kwame Poku aye jumano pen come mate and in some our Canadian a bit difficult say Kwame Poku ebe Johnny Club ye fence say a boss Asante God 04 and I make sure the sika baby any Ghost Stars episode of Kwame Poku e so because now Kwame Poku camp no house of folk acquire no I'm 10,000 and Kwame Poku Campon represented 10,000 at my house of folk. And a house of folk that be omutibere omuntimi enchesa sika no house for e kan plain say omuntimi de entimi enchesa sika no and Gold Stars representing signing on fee which is 50,000 adema Kwame Poku, then monthly salary 8,000. So this is offer of boss and I said Gold Stars Kwame branch Kwame Poku nti beka cho say Kwame Poku ebesia kan adema baby any Gold Stars me beka asasem we say the matiro masum no ebe difficult say Kwame Poku ebe join boss Asante go 04 and that hoyi was signing for 1 year okwakobo. And you could kind of say the passion for what I found Kwasiadu na e was so. Kwasiadu was ready to do business with a branch of friends of Kwame Poku. You say the actually di Kwame Poku ere enso ti mewie a ye de won nsam no e de emam tew. Okwa Asante Kotoko meeting akoso. Na sesia no number 1 position no e ba kwa sesia me no kasai. I see a big headache. Edema coach a friend is a Tinkler. Now, the technical team, according to report, Misaka Chere say, Ebinu Philisa 1. Ohe Dalan Ibrahima, Nigeria wadi. Our Ethiopia coffee. And the time na all Ghana Premier League, na all the Edema Asante Kotoko. Some technical team will be a Philisa no. As I say, a branch of friends Dalan Ibrahim. And number 1, and my club friend is Asante Kotoko. For the season about Beshasi, and especially Gamma Ekokobo editor club friend is a house of folk. 2, a good so effort say the Moroccan goalkeeper Wabano. Niseka Sama Oba Bejono, a switching the 2 goalkeepers on Asante Kotoko. Besa Okoko foreign player Edenaba. Nabama foreign player, and so at Matina bench and Sandu. And a bishop Philisado, as this had a direct situation, therefore says a Dalat Ewanuma, the Nipa SOS can keep Edema Club of Friends Asante Kotoko, and say as this had a diary. And Tamasa Siamanokas and they were technical team at Chung Adamason and Yasam Kitwa. Who? Why NSW number 1 goalkeeper Asante Kotoko, a meeting at Elkoso Asante Kotoko technical team. But the meeting is a Tinkler dear. A Tinkler dear. A common Konaka branch of friends Abdul Wada Murad and like a dago post in Asante Kotoko. Yes, that is exclusive for Ekutami Amedi Emma. Per the history of Dalan Ibrahim, no, and I must say, Monoka said Dalan leading ahead of our branch of friends Abdul Wada Murad. Enti okwa Asante Kotoko eno e de fro e batewa ye de eno so de e de emam e nkomo ni ubetime e decide when I know this because we the history e back in the 3 goalkeepers I will check Dalan Ibrahim and to that goal post those are tenacity di now checking him out the foreign here okay foreign player de ba the amount of obetua na otenchen here e ha adwene and even when someone dem the positive side about concern say a betima bomb seven season over Belremu. Say the money boy a cost a season after ultimate 200 also to many baby. But to me, the Aziz, Dala Ibrahim, Aziz, and what Abdul Wadai. To me, dear, that's why I can name the AC Echo. Because Aziz, I may know Kasei. I'm going to buy a dingo die embassy of transfer window. Sanko Omo Manako loan. But the boy said, I be. I'm fighting for the possession or club of Asante Kotoko. So I have branch first Aziz latest update and I made a mede amamo el communimono. Well, Mediama Sporting Club and some HB completed deals in the and with the likes of our branch friends HB with the likes of our branch friends Jimano Bogo SNA 3 years contract. Jimano Boating from 11 Wonders SNA 2 years. Dominic Frimpong a free agent 3 years. Osman Safianu 2 years. Abdul Rahman Yaya 3 years. Emmanuel are not from nations. Emmanuel Efobi. Anafe yes, SNA for 3 years. George Dala Gori and so by Issa Ibrahim. Okay, Emmanuel Fobi from Georgia. Okay, Anna Issa Ibrahim from Latvia. I see. A branch of friend Saman from Sudan goalkeeper ebai Blessing Kwabena Jamina ebai Julius Osman Emmanuel Anochi anafe Ebenezer Adade enti we enso media ma sporting club transfer window ono so ere enso etim ekunu se de won nsem no enso edi emam tu ehonu ma enya sem ketoa House of Folk any abranche fan say Dominic Insobila enso timewie na enra bobe 9 na House of Folk pay for na enya sem ketoa yemom pay for baso awon me transfer edema club fence House of Folk yemom baso eno mo ye adwuma pa behind the scene ana chese enya sam ketoa ti Dominic assign edema House of Folk asisi amino kasai e kire din e nkomoni mu enya sam ketoa but I think we play obeboa but defensive midfield na obey adwuma no just as Aduana Stars show interest but House of Folk etimi aye adwuma ni nyina ama sisi amino kasai okwakoto so na fi ono so akosi na kama bibia dai enso etimi akoso a yede ehonsem no ede emamutebehwe ama bibiare enso etimi akoso yinti yento aso mfamfia ese baba ya enso so entimi nya club in fact e hard dwene I mean fine player like baba ya na players na nkasa na e hard dwene I mean your point be no ma ukasa wo try best fight for position obetima fight for position what I say obetima fight for position but I don't know why I na near ba I say pese ko masa tena baba ya entimi enwa club bia ma eno no e dey feel by the one some dey e dey emam ye hwama bibia dey enso etimi akoso abante fan say jimano wasanja deal no empayfo wi e kire di me pese me wura mu bio empayfo wi o dey yemfa no nto fa na empayfo wi but e be say dey be dey eno so ebesi akọ abante fan say morofin donzu de tienie Asante Kotoko technical team led by reference Tinkler ala fe reference Stanley Menzo and pay for me anyway Asia branch reference morofin donzu na demetene say omo confirm ye edema morofin donzu say for now de obey the fourth choice striker edema Asante Kotoko entikabeya ka morofin donzu en find anyway na onpe benye de enso entimi enfa and America say Cameroon player fan say enso asa Asante Kotoko a complete the deal no e wono enam so wode to morofin donzo ni say baby adu ni de obey fourth choice striker and is almost steady ya the last friendly game Asante Kotoko e boy eritia sympathy for no wo morofin donzo enye bibia no ma catch donzo say this is the situation of morofin donzo Emma even Kotoko technical team Tinkler Stanley Menzo Elton boy na nim say on one cassette o ma find even club credit e dem no abrana transfer window na eba be close but the mention is morofin donzo amam pay for answer ti say bia hu say morofin donzo e da so club ni ma enye bibia and pay for some best some be find club e dem donzo be say donzo ejitu say panyan de the mention say ankoso maybe Monday na bia omudi omunkomo esie na bia boy na ekọ dia fine but the minim out transfer deadline mu no ana me don komo de edi amount ti donzo a player na ko wa eziti Asante Kotoko donzo a player na ko wa eziti Asante Kotoko ko ne me se me no ka se inso aba awasine edama ka we first Asante Kotoko na striker ba ko na ni di ewon komoni mu pa abranti a ye fe ne se Nana Kwame Opon na wo be kai Nana Kwame Opon bia no Nana Kwame Opon abesi a campaign awo ye Ghana ye Premier League mu especially Heart of Lions awo na abranti esi na kan na asatena me no kasai agenta okuta abranti fe ne se Nana Kwame Opon I can confirm you to offer no to Asante Kotoko oni penyin ba ko a o Asante Kotoko club no me de edin komo pa na o present ne bibia edema sa o penyin no answer na entimi anko bio yes the new striker we ye fan say Nana Kwame Opon o be second man Heart of Lions don't forget say o free Tamale Liberty and a buy for loan e Heart of Lions our 2023-2024 season mo my 2 goals 15 games ano boy don't forget after that the performance as so Heart of Lions from paying for any ano man permanent stay our Heart of Lions 2024-2025 season obobi after that ano to ekọ Cambodia club ye fenese Vasaka club ano kwesi aka ho and I can confirm it to say the last season of boy or more club bio from Cambodia but player orano ede ni profile e come Asante Kotoko from paying for no one team paying for kabiu one te panini bia en kabiu ko penso transfer window na de e close here intern latest update e ho ma ya de eno so de e de emamo tinana kwa mopon which is the new Asante Kotoko striker no omo no edin komo no this is the situation as here e da hono as here e da hono ma say ojo panyin fun se na hwe so obo se nema document egusu bebre be se no panyin e be returning to enkomodie no wontima yede entimi anto aso acha se wontima yede wontimi anto aso ti so far be 10 new players and asese me no ka say ama Johnny Asante Kotoko emu 2 former players emu 2 former players Joseph Ablor komo no yemfanto Joseph Ablor komo no yemfanto for now me monitor situation bi yes me monitor situation bi enu ti ana make us say yemfanto for now because eno by say enenam Kumasi say Joseph Ablor abepiem Kumasi boy nan ka say fan ho to Asante Kotoko but jabehe send in my den enso ebesi akọ ewo eyen kobonim ti me so ba don't forget so be subscribe na fi unso ide unso wetima surprise signings ne de e ho e de ma Asante Kotoko because official announcement e be ba